Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Leonardo AI. This one is very useful AI tool that lets you create different type of images, thumbnails, and you can also create the videos. On the top right corner here you can see login. Click here sign up. And then you can easily create your account using Canva, Apple, Gmail, Microsoft. So let me select this one, Google, and then select one of the Gmail account. Scroll down, click here continue button, and now we need to add the prompt here. So let me use ChatGPT. Here we can type anything. For example, create a prompt for flying taxi, then press enter. Within couple of seconds prompt will be ready. I can copy it, and here you can see this one. So before that we need to accept terms and conditions, then select this option video, and also select the video option from here. On the left side here you can see video resolution as well as aspect ratio. After that add the prompt here, and it requires 70 credits. Here you can see we have 150 credits. Click here generate button. Now let me scroll down. So it has started working on it. Within couple of seconds video will be ready. Okay, here you can see full HD video is ready. Now simply you can view the video from here, and after that click here this button to save this video in your laptop. After that you can also share this video with your friends. So thank you for watching.